Han,
Where's the peppers from?
your kids, Han.
Yeah.
Holy cow, Han, look, oh. Bakit itong mga bag may mga buslot, Han?
Oh, yeah.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Thanks for the pancake.
Pancake and omelet.
Omelette. Hi, Rox. Morning, Rox. Did you went out?
Still clean. All of your food in with it.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Kakain lang muna ako ng ginawa ng Tami. Omelets. Anyway, guys, good morning. I see you later. Hindi mo tingog? Oh, di mo tingog. Di ayaw patingog ka. Look. He's just like clingy. Too clingy. What are you doing? You want me to play with you, huh? Do you want me to play with you, huh? Do you want me to play with you? Is that what you want? The touch toy, touch toy. You bring me the toy. You want somebody. Misty doesn't want to play with you, right? So you want to play with Mama. Is that it? I'm not a dog. I don't bite my foot. You're so guapa. You're so guapita.
Only now I taught you I
I don't really like. I don't know this before. I only use that.
know.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of raggedy and it's like very sharp.
Yeah.
Make
That's
cut
really nice. To make, I
perfectly.
can cut the tomato paper thin, like thin.
Oh, how did you know I needed someone like you in my life? And I think I'm to the diamond. Han,
Where's the peppers from?
your kids, Han.
Yeah.
Maybe they're jumping and rumbling out there in the fence.
Crazy.
I really like this knife. Holy cow, Han, look, oh.
Yeah, you cut way thinner than that.
I know, but Han, if it's thinner, you're not eating tomato.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's good. Put this.
Look at
Habs,
this.
you are not eating my thing. You are too much, Habs.
How's those?
What else do you want me to cut?
This one. You can get me the American cheese is outside in the refrigerator outside.
Okay. Hi, now that's the problem, Habs. Wow, that's this chair, honey.
Yeah.
It's done. The massage chair, it's done.
Yeah, I'll mangle the piss out of that chair. There's 2 packs in there.
Huh?
There's 2 packs in there.
I'm going to put this in a Ziploc bag. What kind of fish is this?
American cheese. Oh, it's not 2 packs anymore. It used to be 2. They switch it back and forth.
3.
No, it used to be in 2 bags inside, like a bag like this.
No.
A bag like that. Yeah, last time it was like that.
No, it's always like that.
It was before, and then they switch it.
Making a good sandwich, guys. Good sandwich. The best sandwich ever Tommy made. And this cheese is American cheese slices. Kirkland from Costco. Guys, New Yorker. Some people said, you mean Costco? And I pronounce it Costco because everyone here in New York pronounce it Costco. Right, Han? But some people say it Costco. I don't know why they called it Costco. So, Costco, but it can Costco.
Okay, you can put these in baggies.
Oh, we don't have a small bag. I'm gonna go down.
Jessica?
Yeah, a small one. I'm gonna get a small one. And Roxy, oi! Yeah, that's what the problem, Rox. I'm going to put it in one big.
Happy family?
Hmm?
One big happy family?
No. My hand is clean. My baby is leaving, and I'm in focus. What do you make? What are you doing? What happened, huh? Did you hurt yourself?
No.
Tommy is going to work. Going to work. Going to work. Ay, goodness. Ilagay ko lang tong ano niya. Yung sandwich niya. What is this bag? Is my buslot. Eh? My buslot. Bakit itong mga bag may mga buslot, Han? Han? Bakit may mga buslot ito?
Oh, yeah.
Don't ayan me, I'm asking you. I did ask you. Bakit may mga buslot itong mga bag? Mga buslot, guys. May mga butas-butas itong mga bag na ito.
You guys later. Bye, Roxy. You can't put down there. Bye, Missy.
Yeah. Usually I can't open it. The car turned out really dirty. It's always turned out dirty.
I'll put it in the trunk.
No, this won't fit in the trunk.
That's why.
I just want his bread, that he can reach this bread. Alright, Han.
Love you. Have a good day. I'll talk to you later.
Bye. Drive careful, huh? Hey, drive careful. Bye, B-boy.
Oh, look at my other sweaters.
It's right here.
Thanks.
Say bye to people.
Bye, guys. Bye, people.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. See you later.
Yeah. Going now. Very nice and quiet, but misty. When I turn the camera on, he just like turn his head. I love. Just you too cute. You are the cutest little monkey.
Get out of her ears. She doesn't like that. She doesn't even like.
Come here, baby. Come here.
She doesn't like that. She doesn't even like when I do it.
So cute.
She doesn't even like when I.
I can still fit.
Hi, Rox.
She
growled.
Trying to get diamond.
See, maybe they'll make friends now.
Hold on. Maybe if I pet one of them in the pet thousand.
Oh, they're making friends. See, they're friends. They're not jumping each other. She growled though.
Diamond did?
Yeah.
Diamond. Hey.
That's fine. To tell Roxy. Roxy, behave.
Jeez, your phone is locked.
What are you doing? She's telling Roxy, leave me alone.
Come here, mister. Come here, baby. Come here. She's been doing that, and then I realized I have to film this. It's the cutest. She's just like turning her head. She could just keep tilting her head. You're so cute, Rox. I have to edit now, okay? I know you're hearing those voices. I know. I know, Rox. I know you heard everybody's voice and they are not here, right? It's in the film. It's in the laptop, baby. It's in the laptop. Guys, look what I was doing. Yung bagoong, guys, niluto ko siya with onion and ano ba? Onion and tomato. Tomato? Ah, naginarte na naman ako. Tomato. Oh my goodness. Tomato. Oy, tomato. Tomato. Niluluto ko lang siya. Yun. Ipaluluto ko lang. Ipaluluto hanggang maano na yung tomato. So, kasi, I like tomato when it's like cook, like I'm just watching Will the Savage vlog, so I'm just gonna cook it quick before my mother-in-law will call me to pick her up. So yun lang, bagoong onion at saka tomato with rice. Oh, so yummers, yummers, yummers. Sino bang hindi maglalaway nito eh? Ang bango-bango, ang mubango ba? I love this smell. But for sure, if she is here and my husband is here, they're probably smells so good. Well, it smells good because I put onion and the tomato. Hold on, guys. Ilagay ko lang kayo dito. Ina-arrange ko na lang to para mamaya pag kunin ko yung mother-in-law ko. Ready na. Itali ko lang kayo dito para hindi maano. Para pag mahulog kayo lang. para pag mahulog kayo lang. Parang hindi naman ata ito mahulog eh. Sobrang ano. I-back up ko lang tong sasakyan kasi ano. Back up ko lang. Para mamaya ready na ako. Patayin ko muna kayo at saka maghihintay ako ng tawag, okay? At almost 2 o'clock already. And she just like cold. Sasakyan pa. Ay, ginako. This is hard when you know. Of course. I forgot my seatbelt. It's not good when you drive and you forget your seatbelt. I hope I won't drop you.
Where is she at? Everybody's complaining the same way. I wonder what kind of bird that is up on the tree. I don't know. I forgot. Okay.
Oops. Put your seatbelt.
Yes.
Oh. Hi guys, it's late vlog. It's 6:21 already in the evening, and I just been editing videos. So yeah, so I So anyway, I'm just going to watch the Vampire Diary. Now it's 7:09. Tommy hasn't called me yet. He is busy, guys, at work. And it says it's going to snow tomorrow or Sunday. So that means there's snow in our house up there. It's thick, so like 13 inches, and it's cold. That means it's gonna be so ice. I don't know how can I go there. I really wanna be there. I'm just waiting for the time. I'll probably have dinner later. I'm just gonna watch Vampire Diaries. Matutulog na ako, guys. It's 9:20. Habs, Roxy, Dimples, stop fighting, huh? I will see you later or tomorrow. Oh my God, you guyud me na.